Right. It's a wonderful day. We have our driver for the day. Driver. We're having a day out.
Jeez.
We're having a day out. I know. We're picking up a Hymer Grand Canyon. Auto. Automatic. Hydromatic. 18 plate.
Oh.
2 litre 170 brake auto. So I'm not going to need my damp meter. Hi Gary, you alright? Hey, you alright? We'll just be going around it. Got an awning. Is that on lights?
Well, is that an awning?
Cruise control. Gas low, no. Ladder, yes. LED daytime running. No. Parking sensors. Rear. Reversing camera. Roof rack, yes. Satellite dish, no. And that, yeah. We'll just get a photo of these scratches. Right, we'll just double check on the cupboards.
Brilliant.
Sort code. That made you think, didn't it? It did. That's what we're going to do. There we go. That's very successfully. I'll just approve it. An invoice.
Yeah.
After that, we're all done. Hey, the Hymer pouches.
Yeah.
All done. Good man, I've got the keys. You got the secret? In a bit. Don't hit the wall, Steve. First time we've picked up a Hymer Grand Canyon Black Edition. Yeah, it was really nice, lovely couple, lovely van, lovely dog, lovely guitar. Ultimately, I'm having a lovely day. Let's get it back, let's get that paint done, and yeah, find it a brand new home. It's nice meeting nice people.